have to make something happen. You have to do something for yourself. You can't just sit there and just get beat up spiritually, emotionally, before it even touches you physically. You are an entire holistic being. Not only is your physical and your financial is important, so is your emotional and your spiritual health. So you need to guard that with all your might. You have no choice, especially if you want to evolve. You want better for your life. You're asking for better. You want better relationships. You want to even release old habits of yourself, old mindsets, old thoughts, so that you could start integrating new thoughts, integrating your shadow aspect. If you've been abandoning yourself, people pleasing, giving too much to others, overextending yourself, you want to turn that energy back around to you. You want to call back your energy. You want to put all that attention to you. And you can't do that if you're constantly around people that's always demanding your attention, your energy, your time, without the respect of knowing that you get to also benefit from your own energy and your own time. If they don't respect that, that's a telltale sign that you need to move away, or you need to spend most of your days and hours outside that environment, wherever it is. You can't sacrifice yourself any longer. Your shadow, if it hasn't been integrated as of yet, it's going to grow like Anubis. I don't know if y'all seen Anubis. It's gonna grow stronger because it had reps. It had repetition. It had time. It was in the gym. And you weren't rolling with it while it was in the gym, okay? It was in the gym for 2 years, 3 years, some of you 5 years, 10 years. Imagine what muscle memory looks on Anubis in 10 years of the gym. And you not paying your shadow any mind. It's no longer gonna ask. It's just gonna bombard its way into your relationships, bombard its way into your job, your entrepreneurial spirit, whatever it is that you're working through, working for, doing. It's not gonna move forward until you acknowledge your shadow, until you